User-centred design is the art of designing around how humans think and behave. At its core, it's about researching the needs of people and understanding what impacts their use of a product or service, system or space. It also gives the designer the privilege to cater to people's needs with empathy and to make the world a better and more inclusive place for everyone. In early 2020, the Victorian Government Department of Transport engaged Aurecon to better understand the accessibility needs of people using tram stops around Melbourne. The goal was to create a better experience for travellers with diverse mobility challenges, building on the insights from previously conducted research.
Aurecon discovered the user experience for our client by collaborating with social enterprise AbilityWorks. This built on partnering with them on our social inclusion procurement strategy. We've now been able to seek their insights into the unique needs and pain points experienced by different users at tram stops, including people with hearing, sight, cognitive or mobility impairment, amongst others.
AbilityWorks is a not-for-profit organisation that connects Victorians living with a disability and experiencing disadvantage to education, training and employment opportunities. Today, 1 in 5 people in Australia live with a disability, so we were delighted when Aurecon approached our employees to provide insights into the tram stop design project.
I think it was a very nice experience, and I'm very proud to be in part of the project.
Bringing in AbilityWorks employees to gain insight into Melbourne's tram stop design proved invaluable to the project. Their unique skill set and fresh perspective gave us clear requirements for accessible transport design that weren't considered before.
To help empathise and understand the lives of people living with a disability, we used a digital VR model to create 7 different types of tram stops here in Melbourne. The digital twins of the tram stops were created by Aurecon's Unsigned Studio using a tool called siteLab. This allowed us to rapidly experience different perspectives of what it was like for people to travel as they told us about their stories about navigating tram stops when you have accessibility needs.
With trams, I find it quite often in the city the tram stops aren't accessible to people in wheelchairs, and if you get on at one, you got to make sure that there's another one to get off at. I would hope that the transport sector would like to use our inclusive design centre more to plan for the future so that people with disabilities have greater access to everyday life.
The insights gathered through the project will be used in current and future projects. We're thrilled to continue this partnership with AbilityWorks beyond this project. It is an incredible privilege. To Sue, our client, and all the AbilityWorks team, thank you for allowing us to be part of such a special project.